it again. Duh. What's up, peeps? They are going to hold them. Duh. Yeah, man. Hey, peeps. You remember yesterday? We talked about food and who name enough and who food. Watch out. The fish then we will cook and I said I go fry some fish with festival. And then next week, remember next week I said we do the roast fish already. The woman get up from morning and cuss me. Oh, me hungry. I'm want you can steam the fish and whoop and all kind of stuff, you know. Watch out. So me
really believe that?
Me say me I go get some okra for steam the fish. Cause me kind of
them don't believe you. You should catch me on camera cause nothing go so.
Remember we catch you see how we the big plate of food where she sit down and name yesterday. Remember me I show
you know so man they are good from man and you start with your foolishness.
Anywhere. We are going to grow that place to go get the okra. Because she said she have to come with me and all them something. So I don't know why she have to come with me. You know why? Because she probably thinks that me going to take too long. I'm going to come back and cook the food. The food come get her. But we do some steamed fish for her still. I'm going to eat a little bit about something. I don't really eat it. Like, yeah.
People, you should have seen yesterday. You should have seen yesterday. I come going like say, I'm me. Want food and him talk boy my sticky babes, you know say you know some should steam them fish and idea you do. But we need forgot the store get some okra and them thing there. Yeah. They don't even know where I go.
Where GPS baby? Oh you can't tell where to go.
Come out so make a right so. Yeah. And I be like I tell for me and me just easy and I do my little reels them and thing and I do my little content and the man come and I say yo you know somebody really steam them fish cause boy the man deal with the fish them go but I'm not telling a lie. We need to check out that fish place there. Them really deal with the fish them.
Yeah, man, clean. Me come in let's see that I say I go clean up the fish them. Not even one scale. When I reach in I get in a belly, no blood not in the line there so we always
nothing clean.
The man clean up the thing then good or man we not like left or right out.
Left. So him say more okra and things. So you know sir, your girl know the place and your girl know where to go and all these things. You don't know nothing.
Yeah, that's true. You
don't know nothing. So you know your girl I take him for go buy him little okra and whatever I'm saying little cock soup or whatever I'm saying I buy.
Alright.
So you know sir me I the tour guide but I like my tell about me say him for go do this and do that and fish and all of them something there.
Yeah people look on some video.
Never come about it big that means some love food.
Look on some video from back in the days where we are cook. See who and them have the whole of the food. That's why the pity them can't get no food.
You don't see how wicked?
What are the fools, sis man?
The pity them not get no food?
Yeah, sometimes when you're not them, it don't make no sense, not no left. I like a bone left, a dog left.
A beer like this, someone I tell me, I tell you no, a beer like.
Yo, listen.
Anything we might say, make him prove it too, no. And he can't prove it. All him do a talk, him not have no bucketive.
Alright. Remember, you know, go look on the video from yesterday, peeps. You know, see, that's how I do the fry fish and go straight?
Left. I can go straight too.
Oh.
Go straight.
I never go straight on the road ahead.
Yeah, you go straight already on the road ahead. Yeah. Remember I tell about the nature park?
Oh.
Yeah.
I never media drive.
May I show you again? Cause you look like you.
No, I never media drive, so I don't me go patch road. You there drive, me drive now.
Yeah, people, I'm just a lie upon me, bro. Well, anyways, we're up on the road. We're gonna get some thing and thing. Yeah. Cause him say he might make roast fish, steam fish with crackers and them something there. So wanna stay tuned. We're gonna get the okra now.
And she not really go on road in her unless you say you're cooking. You see? She should never go out and just because you say you cook some food. Yeah man, come. Cause she well want it. But long.
Right? I'm call me long belly.
Long belly. So, comment long belly on that.
Comment liar.
I part this baby.
Yeah, see that? Yeah, chopper. Yeah, people, so we're up on the Fort Lauderdale streets.
Yeah, we're tapping hard.
Yeah.
Tapping clean.
Yeah. So we linking up or reach your destination.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we reach from the end now, though. Yeah. I thought she said she come by where she buy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Although she buy some fish for there, brother. Around that same place as so. As the water touch his skin out like some old go-go girl. I say, babe, them are fish are not fresh fish, them are frozen, old tough fish, them are. You can't buy fish in a so. Because them are say fresh fish in there, but they're not fresh.
Don't fresh at all. But them produce fresh though.
Them produce fresh?
Yeah.
Well, we saw go out then, because we never really, we never use it. Yeah. In a clean door?
Yeah. Tell us how I like it.
Around them have color and something, right?
Yeah.
What? Oh, okay. The man, my king and we have baby man.
Yeah.
Sea mass and all them something there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So what's up?
With blood of what? Bird of food.
Yeah, me have to come around and come shop, man. They don't know me like me herbs and me thing them down, watch out. Yeah. I don't want to have to mean enough to lift up baby, you know, with the eyes jolly, you see it?
Mamba.
Hey, you see them? Hey.
Lift up mamba, baby.
Yeah, man, how you been? Lift up with the eye jolly. Oops.
Someone else one. Come on.
Yeah, man, so yeah, what we're gonna do now? We're gonna just grow and buy what we are buying. Yeah, what?
Huh?
That's it, bamboo. That's it. Sexiest girl of the sexiest in the world. Sexy in the world. Yeah. So I have to walk and defend my thing. Anyway, peeps, you know, we are going to walk around and take up what we take up. See all okra we are come for already, and then we link on the back and they don't know the things yet. Yeah. Boy, I'm not allowed to call me friend. See that what I do? Frightened Thursday. Trust me. Me not come from Florida. Me just I explore Florida, but yo, good tea, all kind of different tea, hibiscus, every kind of tea, ginger, all banggrass tea, every kind of tea in this place. Yo, why me love dog here? Me not, we good. It's like Jamaica with it. Yeah, we good right here. Me not lie.
Tell you. Years me are telling people, years, on top of years, and at 13 years me and him there. 13 years me I tell him about Florida.
I'm too long belly, man. Yo, Bulla,
love this long belly dude.
everything there, brother. And this is just one store.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, this is just one store in a. Yeah, well, I not really go with the breading, but yeah, I mean, me a more herbalist. Yeah, I mean, so me get the tea them and the this and the that and everything there, man. So, me not lie, me like it, me love it. I know we have Aki down, so we'll get the saltfish now done.
Yeah, some saltfish.
Yeah, go and drive and go and talk. I can't drive and talk, you know. Yeah, put on a seatbelt, girl.
What seatbelt? You understood the seatbelt? She was strapped up.
Yo, you know easy, man.
One of them, man. I be seeing people with them. The Amazon.
Huh?
GoPro.
The GoPro.
Man,
It's at Amazon.
how much you pay for that?
When I bought it, it was like four
Man, you can
something.
see it. How do you do that? It's like it's a camera.
Yeah, it's a camera.
So how much is it?
This one is the
I love them shits, man.
This is what they call it.
So you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording right now. Yes.
You recording?
You see the red
Ain't
spot
that
right?
something? So you go on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm on YouTube.
You do that YouTube
Yeah,
thing.
Rash Nique.
That's what's
Yeah,
up,
I mean,
man.
yeah.
God bless you, man. Wish you the best, yo.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
That's crazy, man. So go on Amazon and
Just type in GoPro. It's
GoPro.
different. You got different prices, different. Yeah, I mean, so pick the one where you want.
so you just
And
do
when
that
you
on-
load it up,
Yeah.
it's like you wouldn't even believe that this little camera did that.
For real. I look at the other side. You see? It's big.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
And then turn it around.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could do on both sides.
Yeah.
Man, and you go on YouTube all the time?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're YouTubers.
We're a YouTuber. Rash Nique.
Let me ask you a question. When people go on YouTube, you make money off that, correct?
Yes, but you have to have certain
You have to qualify.
You have to qualify.
It's not just go on
It's not
YouTube and
easy.
make money.
But
We have to
it's
put the
not-
work in.
You gotta work to get on
You
there.
have to get
put
the work in.
And
It's a lot of work.
if you put the work in and stuff like that,
Yeah,
Oh,
you
yeah.
will. You will.
You'll make it.
you make money.
Yeah.
That's what a lot of people got heard. A lot of people making money off YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real.
Who pay you?
You too?
too.
Yeah, Pete, make sure how to check the saltfish. You see how this big and thick so? And look how it's soft. Watch it. Water. Them put water in it, so this is not good.
Yeah.
You can't smell it too. So you see all them little thin one, you know? Them thin one, more better. You know what I mean? No, it's big and thick. You have to look.
Okay.
So they kind of soak with water and them stuff. Look at.
Yeah, them thick and
thick. That's not good. See them little thin one, you know? Yeah, enough people come and buy the big thick one and fish it better, but them one more real. You get me I say? Yeah, so them small one we buy where we are buy. You see me? That last time me come and buy, cause she as me say belly as she say big thick one and buy it and I say baby full of water, you know. Look here.
Yeah, look there it fits fat and chunky.
Alright. Them are the saltfish them, you see? So them thin.
Yeah.
And tough.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you go to bumps and boil this now, you will get the soft now, but them the born soft. Yeah, I mean through the full of water. You see me, so I have to show her how to deal with the thing, you know, because they don't know the things. Belly as, you have to show belly as what I go on, you know?
None to them.
No, man.
No, sir.
They look on the color, look at the thick, the thickness.
Yeah.
Full of water. Yeah.
Alright, so pick up here.
Alright then, so because I show you how to pick saltfish too, like how I show Nique how to pick saltfish, so link on the back. Yo, she always go and she know places, you know. So, well I know, she lost in the public say, you know. So I say, yeah man, you go on like you know everything and everywhere. She never come in the public say it. But guess what, as we are past here, boy, the chicken smell good, eh? I say, but by the time if you turn on the camera, if you don't catch what she say, she don't talk. We tell her about the long belly, but she love it. She love her belly, you see, man. Yeah, well, that's how you go, man. Catch you, man, and talk about the food, man. Two of them?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man, so we in a new public center, what she don't know about. And me carry her, come on the one, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, cheese and all them something. Sorry and them something. Eh.
Oh, I want to get 2 yogurt too, man. I love them yogurt, bro.
Yes, baby?
I want to get 2 yogurt.
Something for your belly, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Yo, never look a cough because I detox my lungs, so drink a tea, so every time I cough and cough, so I know sick, so whenever I feel no way, so I go on through the video. Yeah, I detox my lungs, so I have to cough every minute and cough up and hawk and pizza and sitting, you know what I mean? You don't know the things. So. Don't hear her a while ago and she said, "Can I get your regret?" She never forget nothing, but she deal with belly. Boy, I'm sorry for belly. Belly must ball out sometime. And I said, no more, no.
I need blank belly because I buy a beer my belly. You're gonna use your belly.
I know you're not using my belly still, but why me have to talk about it? Because she always act like she eat 1 grain of rice.
No bother with it.
Yeah, I mean no say no 1 grain of rice she eats. She eat like a bag of rice per day. I joke, yeah, we don't have rice like that. But she love her belly. You see, especially if you go to Bams and say seafood, or when she asleep and in that she dream about seafood, she jump up. One crab leg, one shrimp. Yeah, so she behave.
You lie! Jesus, oh, we can't do this, sir. Damn!
I don't know where, man.
I think they love me, bro.
I love you, man, but I truth. I talk the truth, too. Yes. And I talk about crab leg and shrimp and all them something there. Alright, if you think I lie, me I tell. If me remember, in a vlog, yeah, we can splice in a picture. Oh, me have to deal with the food for the RC food. If me remember, me no must remember, but if remember, me I put in the one picture. You see me? Hold on, where my phone? Because I could have shown you right now, too, you know. Me look for my phone, for show you what me I say. Yeah, peeps, back home, though. And then you don't know the things that.
The belly is over here, sir, with our fish.
Me there look for the picture, right? For sure, no. But as we turn on the camera, I remember say me never look for it. So, yourself, we don't see it one at a time, but see what me do for belly as. See that?
You know, see, I need to stick by me, because me all over here, talk about the belly is over here, sir.
See that? So you don't know the things. Tell them your name then. Tell them your name. Talk to them.
Nique.
Alright. So,
don't name bellies.
So, but me not tell you the answer.
Okay.
Are you
alright, so when I ignore, don't get upset.
Boa. Bellies. Bellies.
How name, sir?
Babe, that's me a chat to you. Yeah, man. So, as I say, I go and run a boat when I eat. What time now? Oh, I have time because I start 4 o'clock.
Yo vlog.
So you don't know the thing set. What if you say now? When the thing connect and the pot a bubble and everything.
Daddy.
You see? I just come here want to do it.
Hey, yo vlog, guess what? Me prank them enough cause me never did sleep. Them think me sleep.
You prank yourself.
You prank yourself.
Ow.
Because
You not sleep, watch you sleep on your face.
Nobody.
You was sleeping, you're right.
No, I wasn't. You want me to prove it? I heard when Daddy was tasting the ginger and talk about how it's hot. And I heard when y'all talk about something. Oh, Yuri asleep, so this and this. And we can't eat him. We can't eat it for him. This and this not for him, so we have to eat it. I heard it. I was not sleeping. So, Una get pranked. I'm gonna prank myself.
Oh?
Yeah, I don't know, I guess. I don't know a prank. That's a prank. Hold on the peeps. I can't find it up, you know. I say I can't find it, you know, man. I say I want to show you how she deal with the thing, them, you know, man.
Which thing?
Oh, see that? Yeah, see that, peeps? See that? See that?
Where over that show? Let me see one.
See that? I saw shit when we say seafood fair. See that? You see it? You see here about seafood or she run around and so be telling her early, you know. Yo, you see, and every time she said, no, me not can so. You hear? As the talk about seafood, she run on my foot. But yo, me I say, me I go and put on some food and some pot and some cooking and link on the back later because I don't know me for showing the final product.
And I'm here waiting.
Before Niamafi, right?
No.
Yeah. There again, done. See it there? See the thing, Put in some crackers. You know Nique love crackers, you know. You want to hold crackers in it, so I have to give you this fair. And not because she belly has though. She just love the crackers, you know. I'm not really go for the crackers, I just go for the fish and the rest of the things. You know what I mean? So, baby, come look at it. Come look at your pot, baby. Come look at your pot, baby. Come on, so I eat this now, you know. So probably you get all a little looks pan our what them call it? Pan our plate, you see me? Yeah, you don't know the thing.
Hey, stop eating crackers and burning fish.
So, you don't know the thing, you know. Subscribe, comment, you know what I mean? As I say, tell a friend, tell it from the family. You know what I mean? Show everybody, the whole world, say Rash Nique is here in Florida. You know what I mean? Yeah, so you don't know the thing set.
Can I get a fish now?
Me tell you, you know, yo, I think a joke thing when me talk about. But I say go still. I mean, look at some. Chef eat enough for that. You hear that? Remember me tell you, you see that chocolate while ago? Yeah.
Chocolate?
You see that chocolate? So guess what? Chef, yeah. Can't put on 87. I near gas. So that's how you go. Cause she have whopper things for power, though. So remember, you know, peeps, sorry about that. Choke me. Big up on yourself, man, till the next one. See? Alright.
So, guys. Bye.
Yeah, man, so I final product this now in a plate and thing. Nique get fair, you know? I see? Mummy I deal with fair wickedly. Yeah, man, as me said, I'm going to show the plate. See, at this left. You understand what I say? I mean a banana in so. I like banana with the juice, with the sauce off of the.
You don't give me no banana?
The banana, you don't get none?
No.
Yes, she greedy. Look much food and she want more.
Give me a banana.
Come now. Yeah, man, so as I say, I've never done that with the people. So, you don't know the thing said, like, subscribe and share and tell a friend say Nique and Rash there.